welcome to the garage. Here we have some amazing kids. First one, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Spencer, you want to come sit with me? Spencer. Spencer, you want to come sit with me, Spencer? Spencer. Maybe this is in your way. Oh, Spencer, what is that? What is that? Spencer, Spencer, Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Spencer.
Remember, if you don't catch him enough, he's going to claw you.
I know. And he's so cute, though. Look at him.
Come on, your baby voice, I do it too. Hey guys, don't show my face, just show the roller skates and rate how good I am at them. You think I'm good?
I don't know. I can't hear them. What do you guys think? Is he good or not? Is this guy good or not? Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
Look, he's making biscuits on you. Oh my god.
I'm his cooking pot.
Wait, no, look, this spot
I'm his cooking
He
pot.
has a bald spot.
Oh,
He
yeah.
has a bald
Yeah,
spot.
he has a bald spot. Oh, my. Don't you dare touch the camera. Don't you dare scratch. Okay. Now meet Luna. We met Spencer. Here's Luna. Oh my God, Luna! Don't you dare hit the camera.
Guys, look, I was born with real feet.
I think every cat hits the
Guys,
camera.
look at the roller skates.
The camera.
These actually aren't my roller skates. They're
Oh.
my friend Macy's roller skates, but she's not here, so she
Okay. There's something on your mouth that I want to take out of your mouth. Yes. We will do.
Just some dirt.
Hey. Hey. No.
He thinks you're trying to shake.
Hey. Hey. Spencer. He spit. Ow, my God, Spencer. Don't you dare hit the camera. Don't hit the camera.
Are you
Don't
guys
hit the
in
camera.
the team? I mean the cleaning team.
Well, no, I'm not.
Instead of ice skates, it's roller skates. Hey, roller skates, ice skates. What's the difference? I don't know.
Ah, my God, Spencer. Okay, meet Luna. Hi, Luna. Sup, Sup, Luna? Sup, Luna? All right.
Yeah, sing a song. This is the skating room.
This is the epic fail room. Okay, there. You see that piece of dirt right there, Spencer? That's a piece of dirt. And I'm gonna whack you. I'm gonna whack. Okay.
Guys, this is going to be different types of people roller skating. The baby.
Oh no. Crap.
You can show the back of my head, just not my face.
Oh yeah.
This is the heavy. Am I doing good?
Yeah, you're doing real good.
Alright, that was good, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, don't show my face. Don't show my face.
I won't. Okay. So
Look
can you
at
hold the
the-
camera and rollerblade? I want to see how it looks when I watch the video.
Oh, I'm going to be on my little bike.
The little bike. This is my little.
That's the drifter.
Yeah, the drifter.
Sitting on a drifter. Get ready for a ride, guys. You'll never know where I'm going. Look, it's the dump. Anyways, looking at my skates. Oh, hi, Spencer. Oh, you're so cute. I won the award of the cuteness. Hi. Thought you could escape me? Never. Hurrah! And one, these are skates. Alright, now we gotta go back. Alright, Spencer, can you hold the camera and show them your point of view? Hey! Don't do that! What do you want?
You're wondering what's going on? Well,
Look at the camera.
here you go. Good.
I feel like you can be scared.
This is my POV.
You show the same, only just my feet, alright?
Hold on, I want to show them my POV of the.
I'm gonna practice
Yeah.
my hockey.
Oh God! Oh my
I'm
God!
gonna practice hockey.
Nice. Practice hockey. Da-da-da-da.
Oh no, oh no. Stop! My hockey thing.
I'm part of your hockey team, and I'm the Steeler. Wait, did you just say 9 goals? How on earth did you win that many times? Isn't it just one round of one round? Oh, nice. Epic failed.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Oh!
Crisscross. Crisscross.
Oh, whoa.
Let's go to the pass.
Bro, epic fail.
I know.
No, please don't get that out of balance, please. It will affect my life. Hi, Spency. Oh, you boozy boozy. Oh, you boozy boozy. Oh, you boozy boozy. Oh, you boozy boozy.
I can see this false spot.
Oh my God. Hi, kitty.
You're on the web connect, so I'm gonna bring them because of Kyra. So today's kind of just like.
Guys, I guess that my camera has been lost. So I guess we're gonna have to end our video here. Bye.